Hello, my name is Jessica Given, and today I will be discussing my webpage for Physical Education 302 at Channel Islands University with Professor Ray Tejada. These are the sites I used to make my top 10 list, which were posted on log number 7. Here is a quick glance at my top 10 list that I will be going over in the following slides. First on the list is to write content that is easy to skim and scan. My classmates are going to know right away if they want to be looking at my site. So on my page I have sections like this one, How to Succeed in This Class, with easy to read bullet points and straight to the point information. Number 2 is using headings and subheadings to keep my web page organized. I used purple as most of the headings and numbers or bullet points as the subheadings. So here for the 4 domains you have the affective domain, cognitive domain, motor domain, and physical domain, and their descriptions following their numbers. Number 3 is the use of proper language and spelling. I made sure that I had no typos and that I did not use any lingos or texting talk in my webpage. Number 4, use lists and bullet points. Staying organized is very important to me. I try to remain organized in all of my assignments. So here we have another heading, key terms, and a little bit of a blurb. These are some terms you might want to know for the midterm and final. And we go through these terms, and actually all of these terms are defined on my web page. Here's an example of one of the terms mentioned, gross motor skills. I give the definition that came directly from Professor Tejada, and I also give a description in my own words. Number 5 is to build trust. I made sure to cite all of my sources, but I also made sure that I am myself a reliable source. Everything I put on my page is my own or cited here in my resources. It is important to be concise and honest and make sure that you are sticking to the facts. Number 6 is to create the right tone, look, and feel. I did my best to make my webpage visually pleasing and well organized, and I used pictures that I believed represented my topic. As you can see here, I used pictures and I used same colors on important information and all of my headings. Number 7 is hyperlinking your sources. I did this by using not only Control-K, but also by linking videos straight from YouTube and creating button links that lead to downloaded material. This is just a quick glance at one of the lesson plans that was linked in by the button link. As of yet, I have not had to use number 8, updating my links, because they are new links and I have checked them. They are not broken, they still have all their permissions, but I will be going back and making sure that is the case when I send this to Professor Tejada. Number 9, hook them to your site. This grabs the reader of the web page right off the bat. I did this by simply stating the course and the introduction to the web page and what it was designed for. Number 10, be generous with your expert knowledge. I did my best to give my classmates that will be looking at the web page all of the knowledge that I have on the subject matter in hopes that it will help them through the class. Thank you for listening. This is Jessica Given signing off.